I sing happy birthday, Uncle Justin, the bottle.
Okay, sing happy birthday to Uncle Justin.
Uncle Justin, Uncle Justin.
Sing happy birthday. How does it go?
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Day to you. Sing it.
birthday.
McKenna, focus on one thing at a time. Really?
Happy birthday to you.
What do you say?
Excuse me.
Okay.
Be quiet.
Be quiet. Hey, we don't say that.
Be quiet. Oh my God.
No, we don't say that either.
Oh my God.
That McKenna, we say, oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Hey, psycho, go sit down.
Psycho.
Go sit down.
Psycho.
Go sit down. You're psycho. Go sit down. Is that good? Okay, you gonna go sing happy birthday? Hey, go sing happy birthday.
I don't sing happy birthday to Dyson.
Why not?
Tickle, 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 tickle.
You're so strange.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Stop. Where's your microphone? Where's your microphone?
A microphone is like this. Oh my God.
Let me see. That's a telephone, not a microphone. Oopsie.
That's my microphone. That's my microphone.
Where is your microphone?
My microphone is right there.
It's right there?
It's right there.
That's a telephone.
Telephone is right there.
What's that?
That's my purse.
That's your purse?
That's my purse.
What color is your purse?
Pink.
You have a pink purse?
It's color.
What color is your hair?
My blue.
Your hair is blue?
My hair blue.
Your eyes are blue.
My hair blue.
McKenna's blue.
And hair blue.
What color is mommy's hair?
Its name is brown.
It's brown?
Brown. See that brown?
You have big feet.
See that brown?
McKenna.
Oh, see that warm, warm, warm.